In this video, I will show you how to find your Steamapps folder. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a Steam app or the web-based version of Steam and log into your account. Then what you need to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto Steam to bring up this menu. And from this menu that comes up, just come down and click onto Settings. Now, from your Settings window, what you need to do next is come across to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Storage. And what you want to do is select the drive that you've got your Steam apps and games on, so whether that's your C drive, or if you click onto this box at the top, if you've got like an external hard drive, you can select that from the list if your Steam apps are installed on an external hard drive. In my case, it's just installed on my C drive, so I'm going to select my C drive. Now, to locate your Steam apps folder, all you need to do is come to this button here with the three dots which says Settings, give this a click, and then click onto Browse Folder. Now, what that's going to do is open up your File Explorer at the bottom, and you can see it's going to take us directly into our Steamapps folder. And if you want to find your Steamapps that have been installed, just double click onto the common folder and you're going to see all your Steamapps and games. So that is how to find your Steamapps folder. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.